Day 289 from Earth. Saturn, the most beautiful thing any of them had ever seen. Commander Aria ordered 10 minutes at the observation dome before descent. Nobody argued.
Dr. Morrow had studied Saturn since he was 9. He had a photograph of its rings on his bedroom wall until the day he boarded Exodus 1. Standing in front of it now, he forgot, for exactly 4 minutes, that Earth was dying. High-resolution orbital scans confirmed what they feared and hoped simultaneously. The pattern was biological in origin, and it was active. Dr. Morrow's hands were shaking when he filed the landing request.
Descent through Titan's atmosphere took 47 minutes. The haze was so thick at 30 kilometers altitude that Unit 7 switched to instrument-only navigation. Nobody spoke for 31 minutes. The pattern was directly below them.
When the clouds cleared at 8 kilometers, nobody moved. The pattern from orbit had looked like chemistry. From 8 kilometers, it looked like something had been writing on Titan's surface for a very long time. Formations were not rock, not crystal, not geological structure of any known type. Unit 7's contact sensors confirmed biological origin in 0.4 seconds. It stood at the edge of the pattern and said one word: alive. The channels were distribution pathways. Dr. Morrow realized it before anyone else. The entire pattern, every formation, every channel, every square kilometer of organized chemistry, was not a collection of individual organisms. It was one organism, and they were standing inside it. The pulse tranvoled at 0.3 meters per second. Unit 7 calculated the organism's total surface area at 847 square kilometers. The pulse reached every part of it in approximately 47 minutes. The formations turned toward them in 23 seconds. It knew they were there.
Aria, it matched my heartbeat. It responded to my heartbeat. It knows I'm alive.
Dr. Morrow's heart rate was 94 beats per minute.
The pulse shifted to 94 beats per minute within 8 seconds of his hand contact. He filed it in his mission log as conversation.
Commander, the organism's pulse is increasing. It matched Dr. Morrow's heart rate as a recognition signal. It is now attempting to accelerate his heart rate to match its own. We need to move. Now. The organism was not attacking. Unit 7's analysis confirmed that clearly. It was doing what organisms do. It was trying to incorporate something new into itself. Dr. Morrow was about to become part of Titan.
Unit 7, wait! It wasn't trying to hurt me.
Correct. It was trying to absorb you. The outcome for you would have been identical. The organism did not follow them past its boundary. Unit 7 noted that it had a boundary, a specific defined edge, and it respected that edge absolutely. Not territorial, aware. The recording showed everything. The heartbeat match, the pulse response, the formation orientation shift when he raised his hand. Dr. Morrow watched it 14 times before he spoke.
Titan is alive, and we cannot colonize something alive.
Aria, we don't know that yet!
We know enough. Mark it, move on.
Unit 7 stood at the window for 14 minutes after the debrief. It filed no log entry for those 14 minutes. For the first time in its operational history, it had nothing it wanted to record.
Titan. Day 290. We found life. Complex, organized, aware life. The kind that changes every question humanity has ever asked about its place in the universe. And we left it. Because we need a home, not a discovery. I don't know if I made peace with that yet. I think I need another 18 months in Creo to try. As the module cleared the atmosphere, Unit 7 sensors detected one final pulse from the organism below. A single burst. 18 hertz, the same frequency as the Europa creature. Unit 7 said nothing to the crew. It filed it, and held it, and wondered what it meant for the first time in its existence. 1/400 light years away. The journey, impossible by conventional calculation. Unit 7 had been working on a solution for 11 months. It presented it to Commander Aria over dinner. She read it twice, then said, "Can you do it?" Unit 7 said, "I believe so." first time it had ever used the word believe.
Next week, Exodus 1 attempts something never done. Interstellar travel. 1,400 light-years, Unit 7 has a plan. It involves bending the rules of physics in ways that should not be possible. Dr. Morrow said, "When did you figure this out?" "I had 11 months and a question I couldn't answer. Solving impossible problems was easier than sitting with it." Beyond Earth. Saturday.